Salamat nangakong on the go anytime sa imbitasyon ng Kamara, nananatiling no-show si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa pagpapatuloy ng Quad serye kung saan tila nagkaroon pa ng kaunting diskusyon ang ilang mga mambabatas kung dapat ba nilang hinga ng dagdag dokumento ang kampo ni Duterte sa rason ng kanyang pagliban. Sa buong kwento, makakasama natin si Sus Valdez.
Sa pagpapatuloy ngayong araw ng Quadcom serye, no-show nga si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte kahit pauna na nitong sinabi na handa siyang humarap sa komite sa oras na imbitahin siya ng Kamara. Una nang ikinatwira ng kampo ni Duterte na short notice ang nasabing imbitasyon sa dating Pangulo. Anila not feeling well si Digong lalo't kauuwi lang umano nito sa Davao mula sa Maynila. Ito ang nilalaman ng sulat ng abogado ni Duterte na ipinarating kagabi sa komite. Diin ni Atty. Martin Delgra III, sinsero ang dating Pangulo sa intensyong sumipot ngayong araw sa Quadcom hearing pero hindi umano maganda ang pakiramdam nito. Nauna rito mismong si Duterte ay nagsabing anytime ay handa siyang humarap sa Kamara at Senado hinggil sa investigasyon sa madugong war on drugs ng kanyang administrasyon. Present naman sa hearing ang malamortal enemy ni Digong na si former Senator Laila de Lima kung saan may special wish ito sa dating Pangulo.
Well, I hope he gets well now. So he would have health to face the music.
Ma'am, were you expecting ba?
Sana gumaling na kayo, magpagaling na kayo para lakas na harapin ang lahat.
Samantala, tila panandalian naman nagkaroon ng bardagulan sa pagitan ni Abang Lingkod Party List Representative Joseph Stephen Paduano at Surigao del Norte Representative Robert Ace Barbers. Noong magmosyon si Paduano na i-require si Duterte na magpasa ng medical certificate. Ito'y bilang supporting documents sa umunoy tila unauthorized letter ni Atty. Delgra. Depensa naman ni Barbers bilang courtesy sa dating Pangulo, mainam na hindi na ito hingan pa.
To appear before this committee in the subsequent hearings that we will schedule. So if I may, Your Honor, let us not pursue the submission of medical certificate from the former president.
But Mr. Chairman, under our rules, no, malinaw po ating especially in inquiry in the legislation, we need a letter representing the president, former president, but without an authority coming from the former president.
Perhaps that was just...
Mr. Chairman, we have our internal rules.
I know, Your Honor.
And in fact, during the previous hearings, in fact, during the hearing on public use, Atty. Fortun, representing supposedly Michael Yang without any authority from Michael Yang, and in fact, he presented us authority coming from his office to the corporation being listed.
Your Honor, if I may...
Tiniyak naman ni Barbers na walang special treatment ang nangyari kay former President Duterte.
I am saying and stating for the record that we extend the courtesy due to a former president. Hindi naman po ibig sabihin na hindi na po natin siya imbitahin. On this particular committee hearing that we scheduled for today, the committee has received a letter stating, among others, the reason why the former president cannot be present. So wala hong exception dyan. Hindi ho natin siya binibigyan ng special treatment. I do agree with the chair of the Committee on Human Rights that we should stick with the rules of the House. But in this particular case, in deference to him being the former president, I would like to ask for your understanding to extend a little bit of the courtesy that is due to him.
Ako, si Sus Valdez para sa Kwentong Politiko.